Back to school is quickly approaching, and actress 90210 alum, New York Times best-selling author and mom, Tori Spelling, knows what a busy time it can be for all parents. She joins me now to talk about the challenges of parenting kids through school and some life hacks to make the back-to-school season as positive and easy as possible. Tori, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so can you believe the summer is winding down? So what has back to school season been like in your household?
Oh my goodness, I know that some people already started school early August. My kids just started yesterday and some are going back in September. But for any parent, whether you have one or you have five, like in my house, it's not easy. It's stressful. And, especially after the last couple of years, I think we're all navigating new territory and wanting to be there for our kids even more, to give them that support emotionally. And my kids, I have 5 to 15, so I have kindergarten all the way into high school. So I'm not, and you know what, I had to take that off the table, that I was like this pedestal of having to be perfect, get it all done. I'm just like, you know what, things are going to be missed, things aren't going to go smoothly. But, let's cut ourselves a break, especially this year. And, I say, hey, imperfect is the new perfect. But I'm not a planner. I don't get things done ahead of time. But the first week of school, I really try to do that. And that includes taking my kids to get the snacks they like. Because what you packed for them last year, they probably don't like this year. They're always changing, and that's okay. If you have fruit and vegetables, make sure you have that all sliced up and prepped. You can do that days before. And just have everything ready to go. Get the lunches packed the night before, laying out the clothes. That is key in my life. Even the ones that tell me, Mom, I'm too old for you to be laying out my clothes. I said, let's just pick it tonight so we're not running around in the morning and you can't find socks. Let's lay it out. Let's do the fashion show. We pick the outfit you love and have it laid out, so that takes that off the table. And I also, especially this year, I'm putting little sticky notes, at least the first week of school. I don't know if I'll be able to maintain it all year. Kind of knowing your audience. Each kid is different. A little note of, an inspirational quote to one of them. One that loves comedy, put a little joke. One of my kids loves art, do a little drawing, something that's personalized, that so when they feel that anxiety at school, they can kind of open up their lunchbox and there's something safe. There's something there that's known, that's something from mom or dad. That's important. And, it's not just our kids that are stressed. We're super stressed, but we have to be stoic. And for me personally, the way I manage that is I've been a migraine sufferer for 20 years. So I know that when it's something stressful, my trigger, I'm going to get a migraine. So it used to be debilitating. I would miss big moments like the first day of school because I couldn't find the right treatment. But 2 years ago, I started taking Nurtec ODT. And for me, it works. It's something I can carry on me. I can take it. It's a dissolvable tablet. I can be on the way to school drop off. I get a migraine, I take it, and I can make a comeback, which I couldn't do before with other treatments. And I don't have side effects with it, but the known side effects can be stomach pain, nausea, and indigestion. And I just tell everyone, you're not alone. Migraine sufferers, there's 40 million migraine sufferers in America to date. So it's a crazy number. It's not something, I used to be shamed about my migraines. And I used to think, well, there's such bigger diseases out there. Why talk about migraines? But migraine is a disease, and it is something that can be debilitating. So to be able to have a community and talk about it and find out if certain treatments work for you. So I tell everyone, this is what worked for me. And definitely talk to your healthcare professional and go to Nurtec.com and get more information to see if it's right for you.
Yeah, exactly. And of course, we can't leave without asking what's going on in your very fun and very busy career.
Oh my gosh, so many exciting things. I'm so lucky to do a podcast with my best friend, Jenny Garth, every week. We have 9021 OMG. We're in the iHeart family. You can listen to it wherever you get your podcasts. And I have my show At Home with Tori, which is streaming on Vizio. And it's like a cooking, baking, family reality show. And it's beautiful and I love doing it. And coming back September 15th, premiering second season of my show Messiness on MTV.
Yay, this is so fun. And what's that website one more time if we want to follow in your footsteps and try to get some help with migraine?
Absolutely. Get more informed. Go to nurtec.com. That's NURTEC.com.
Oh, thanks so much, Tori, for joining us here on Everyday Northwest. Have a great back to school season to you and your family. Thanks so much.